Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon from Roblox. First, understand that bacon hair is a popular, free hairstyle available to all players. It's a brown haircut with distinct yellow stripes, giving it a unique, recognizable appearance. This style has become a symbol within the Roblox community, often representing new players or a classic aesthetic. It's a fun way to customize your avatar without spending Robux. To create your own bacon hair avatar, begin by opening Roblox and heading to the avatar editor. You'll find this option easily on the main menu. Once inside, look for the hair category. Scroll through the free options until you spot the distinctive brown and yellow PAL hair. Select it, then pair it with basic, default clothing for that authentic new player vibe. It's a straightforward process to achieve this iconic style. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life much easier. You can find the link for this amazing product and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your avatar is complete, you can embrace the bacon role in various Roblox games. Many players enjoy role-playing as new or default characters, fostering friendly interactions and exploring different game worlds. This look often signals a welcoming and approachable player, encouraging others to engage with you. It's a fun way to connect with the broader Roblox community and enjoy the game from a unique perspective.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.